The Super Gold bot growth is phenomenal, over 1,100% in literally about 8 months. Trading on the 1 minute time frame, having a hard stop loss in place. There are so many benefits to this robot. I just have to share it with you within this video. And then at the same time, there's one little concern that I also need to make you aware of. Well, hi there, my friend, Errol Mueller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the Super Gold bot or trading system, whatever you want to call it, EA review. Now, if you don't know me by now, my name is Errol Mueller. I've got about 9 years worth of forex trading experience under my belt. I traded myself. I used to sell my own forex trading course. I traded with Forex Trading Robot, and at this point in time of me shooting this video, I do a lot of PAM trading. I invest in PAM traders. If you don't know what that is, on the top right hand side of your screen right now is a notification popping up where you can literally go ahead. There's 2 videos where I've done videos based on PAM trading and how you can get started with PAM trading. I highly suggest you watch those videos. Now, the Super Gold Expert Advisor is extremely good, if I can put it like that. Based on my analysis, based on what I can see on their homepage, based on this My FX Book account, which I got from their homepage right here by clicking the View Live Account Performance. So my review, this whole video is based on what they are sharing at this point in time, the month of August, the year 2024. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So while I've got you here, and I'd appreciate that if you could please give this video a like, please give this video a thumbs up at any point in time if you feel that you are really getting some great knowledge and information and things from this video that is towards your benefit. And if you really enjoy the content, also leave me a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment as well. Now, I literally open up this live performance account, which is this one right here. We're going to delve into the nitty gritties, and I'm going to share as much detail as I possibly can regarding the Super Gold bot or the Super Gold EA. Now, one thing is that you need to pay attention to this name. It is extremely important. Super Gold bot, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, etc. And I'll explain in just a moment why. And also within this video, what we are going to cover is I'm going to share with you exactly where you can purchase the Super Gold bot. Number one, what type of broker you can use. My recommended broker that I've been using since the year 2015. In actual fact, I think I started with him since the year 2012. But once again, let's say the year 2015. So about 9 years. I've made deposits, withdrawals. I trust them. They've got a very good system regarding, against any hackers or fake profiles or anything, or fake withdrawals or anything like that. So I like them. I've been using them ever since then, and I still use them to this date. And then we're also going to talk about, we said forex trading, where you can purchase this. Oh, and forex VPS services, why it is important to have a forex VPS service. Now, very important, going back to the Super Gold EA, one thing that stood out to me is this: it trades on a 1 minute time frame, but it had it's at this point in time, it's got over 50% gains per month. Now, based on the My FX book, it is showing a 46%, which is still phenomenal. I don't know how to express it to you. That growth is just mind blowing. My personal opinion, I always say, when you get a 1.5 to a 3% gain per month, keeping in mind compound interest, that is good. That long term, you will have a very good investment if you can sustain it over the next 10-20 years, if you get an average return of 1.5 to about 3% per month. Now, they've got about a 46% per month gain, and I'll share with you exactly now. And they've actually proved it with a live account. I'll share that with you in just a second. Now, very important is this right here. It uses a fixed stop loss, and it does not use the martingale trading system. What that means is, once the trade gets placed, it fixes a stop loss. I cannot say where the stop loss is, how far away, what is the risk, etc. But at least there is a fixed stop loss in place in order to prevent your account from blowing overnight, like literally losing all of your funds within one trade. Okay, next, it uses the non-martingale techniques, so which means they don't duplicate every single trade, meaning you just traded one lot size, then they duplicate because you took a loss. Now it's 2 lot sizes. Take another loss, it duplicates to 4 lots. Take a loss, 8 lots, etc., etc. So you don't want to see that, and they don't make use of it, which is a good thing. That is a thumbs up. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Then the live performance, I've literally opened it up. We're going to delve into that right now. It's got the verified MyFixBook results. And then one other thing that I also wanted to share with you on the homepage, which was very important, it says here, every trade has a stop loss to protect against heavy loss. All trades are also closed by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time that day. They are never rolled into the next day. The system only has one trade open at one time. So you don't need to monitor many trades at one time, which is a good thing. And it tells you here the system will average 20 to 25 trades per month depending on volatility. Some days there are no trades, some days there are 5 trades, or greater than 5 trades. Now, and how much do you need? You can make a deposit of $100 upwards if you want to start trading with the Super Gold trading system or the Super Gold Expert Advisor. So next, looking at this, what I explained to you, the Super Gold bot, this name right here, just make sure at the time of me shooting this video, it is August, the year 2024. If you watch this video a month, 2 months, 6 months from now, make sure this name did not change. Make sure the uppercase, lowercase letters, everything still remains the same, Super Gold bot. Because a lot of the times, and I'm not saying they are doing it, I'm just saying there is quite a few guys that are doing it, where they blow the account or they take huge losses and they open a new profile and they want to share new data with you. They change the name, and by the time of you watching this video, you wouldn't know that we've already done a review on it, and then you might think that the results you are looking at is phenomenal because it's been trading for X amount of months and it's only ever been profitable. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Okay, I've noticed that. I know it. Like I said, I've been many years in the markets, so I know what guys do. Okay, next, the custom analysis. Custom analysis is not set. That is a thumbs up. It's a bonus point. What that means is people or individuals will set the custom analysis because they only want to show you data that they want to show you to sell a specific forex trading robot. Now, in this case, it's not set, meaning whatever you see on this chart right here, this is the actual results. There, no two ways about it. Okay, so they didn't hide any data from you. If there was data hidden, it will bring up a notification right about the section here to say that the custom analysis is set. And then you can click on the custom analysis, you can select all, you can click on gold USD, and then you can click on analyzed, and it will bring up all the data since this account started trading. In this case, this account, if you click on the general tab, it started trading January 19th, the year 2024, and it was added to my FX book June 20th, the year 2024. Next, it trades a real account. So whether it be real or demo, I'm not too worried because demo account still makes use of live charts. Okay, so only difference between the two is it's just not their own funds. In a real account, it is their physical own funds, money that they physically put into the robot. Okay, which is a good thing. Next, the leverage is 1 to 100. So when you open an account with a forex trading broker, you know that the leverage required for this specific forex trading robot is at least 1 to 100. Now, I will share my broker with you in just a second, so do stay tuned. We're going to get to that. If I haven't done it already, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So back to the statistics, you can also tell right here up top that it is a real account. If it was a demo, it would have said there demo. Now, difference between the two, both live market conditions, one live money, real money, other one demo money, not your money. Okay, next, they've actually turned this account since the 19th of January 2024 till now to date into 1,143.34% growth. That is phenomenal. That is mind-blowing. So it gives you an average monthly return of about 46.01%. The drawdown is 31.55%, which is not bad because if we click on the drawdown right here, you can actually see the highest drawdown was 21.65, 19, etc., etc. So this is really good. Once again, my preference is the lower the drawdown, the better. I'm not saying this is a bad drawdown. All I'm saying is the lower the drawdown, the better, the less risk. Account risk, balance risk, if we can put it like that. If you don't know what drawdown is, I highly suggest you Google drawdown, and you can watch a few YouTube videos. In actual fact, I will do a video of drawdown, explaining what drawdown exactly is, and then I can always refer you guys, you watching this video right now, to that specific video to watch should you want to watch it. Okay. Next, so they've made a deposit of $1,000, and I'll show you now how do you validate that. So $1,000, or not dollars, sorry, I must stop saying dollars. This is a euros account, okay? 1,000 euros, and they've turned it into 12,433.41% euros. That is a massive gain, a huge gain. Next, to validate that $1,000 or 1,000 euros deposit, you can see green dot right here. This is exactly when they've made the deposit. Right here, they've made the deposit and they immediately started trading. It will show if there was any interim deposit at the bottom here, it will show little green dots. At this point in time, they've only made one deposit of 1,000 euros. If there was any withdrawals, red dots, it would show up top right here. Red dots would then show if they have made any withdrawals. At this point in time, they have not. So balance and profit, we don't need to worry about that because you can see exactly how the account has been performing. Next, you can validate the withdrawals here as well. They've made 0 withdrawals. This specific profile was last updated yesterday at 11:25. Okay. Next, what else was it? Okay. Track record is verified. It's got a green tick. That is good. It's a positive. Trading privileges are shared. That is good. It is a positive. Okay. Next thing, you want to scroll down. You want to have a look at the summary. Okay, summary will bring up all the pairs, everything they are trading. At this point in time, they are only trading the gold USD, which is good. And it shows you all the pips, etc., the total amount of profit, 1%, lost percentage, and then etc., etc. Then you've got the duration, extremely important. So they said on their homepage that they make use of a 1-minute chart and they don't have more than one trade open at a time. Okay, now you can see that the majority of trades closes within a few seconds, 1 minute, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 13, 15, 39 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and then the longest one is 5 hours and 58 minutes, which is good because that tells me that they are trading the 1 minute time frame, and the longest trade ended in a loss and it traded for about 5 hours. Now they also say that all trades closes by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is a good thing. It's a positive. Reason being, you do not have to pay any overnight swaps, meaning no extra money out of your pocket to the broker because the trade stayed open for longer than 24 hours. If you don't know what overnight swaps is, please feel free to Google that as well. I don't want to keep this video going for too long. Okay, now what else is there? Okay, that's it. Next, we're going to have a look at the monthly analytics. Now, before we get to the monthly analytics, let me quickly share with you where you can purchase the Super Gold Bot, number 1. We're going to talk about the broker. I'm going to share my broker with you. And then as number 2, number 3, we are going to talk about a Forex VPS service and why it is extremely important. Now, if you wanted to know, the first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page. This is my business, empiredigest.com. I'm the owner and founder of empiredigest.com. Now, this right here, this section right here, this is what I do to build up passive income. And then I use my passive income to do things like Forex trading investments, PAM trading, other investments, gold, purchasing businesses, hard assets, offline. So this, if you really want to make extra money, proper, I mean, over $1,000 commission per sale, then you definitely want to check this out. Yes, I want in. Okay, that is just if you want to. It's entirely up to you. Now, that is the first link. The second link in the description below this video will bring you over to a page like this, which is right here, the Forex page, Forex, and then I'm going to show you where you can purchase. So when you click on the second link, it will bring you to this page. Then you want to click on Forex Trading Robots, this Learn More button here. I'm going to show you how you can get hold of the Super Gold Bot should you decide to buy it. I cannot tell you to buy it. I cannot tell you not to buy it. All I can say is that hopefully with everything that I've shared, you liked it, you've given this video a thumbs up, and you have literally gain some valuable information. I can only help you make an informed decision. Okay, next you want to click on the Forex Store, Access Now button, and then once you've done that, it will open up this page. You can then just type in Super in the search bar, or Super Gold if you want to. It will then immediately bring up enter, Super Gold. There's a Super Gold trading system. You can click on it, and then at the time of me shooting this video, there is a discount running from $349. You can purchase it right now for $279. Not bad at all. Looking at the amount of growth of over 46% per month at the time of me shooting this video, and looking at this MyFX book account. Now, think of that, then start thinking compound interest. If you don't know what compound interest is, I would highly suggest you Google compound interest. Then you'll see the actual growth over a 12-month period. Think to yourself, where would you ever find that return on an investment? Any bank, any broker, any mutual fund, any investor, just think about that. I really want you to think about that. Unless you hit like a penny stock, and that penny stock shoots from a few cents up to a few dollars. That's a different story. But I mean, it's a totally different ballgame. You can also lose a lot of money there if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so that is that. And that's how you get hold of the Super Gold Bot EA. So going back one more, the third link in the description below this video, I'm going to take you to this one right here, the Forex Trading Brokers. This is my recommended broker. It will bring you over to this page, and then you can click the Access Now button. It will bring you over to FX Open. Like I said, I've been using them for, I think since the year 2012, but let's work from the year 2015. It's 9 years, and I still use them to date. I do my PAM trading through FX Open. Okay. That is my recommended broker to you. Going back one page and then scrolling down, very important Forex VPS services. Now, what is a Forex VPS service? Firstly, VPS service is a virtual private service. What that does is a Forex trading robot in general uses multiple indicators, formulas, coding, etc. in order to make up the trading style, the automated trading style, and then obviously the bot, the EA, that trades on your behalf. Now, at any point in time, if that robot needed to take a trade at that point in time, and there was an interruption with your laptop, your PC, your internet connection, whatever the reason might be, and it messed with the robot's calculations, it will not take the trade. And then you might miss a very profitable trade. Or it could have been a loss, and you might have missed that trade, which is a good thing then to you. Now, at the same time, Super Gold Bot mentions that they do use a fixed stop loss. The percentage, how big the stop loss is, how far away from the entry point, we don't know. Okay. So, and I don't know if it places a take profit. So I don't know if it's got a hard take profit or if it works on a percentage based take profit, but it says it uses a fixed stop loss. Just don't know how far away. Now, once again, if the bot does not know what to do because there was an interruption with the calculations, you can actually end up making a hell of a lot of money because the trader's got a stop loss, a hard stop loss. You can end up making a hell of a lot of money, or you can end up where it could have been a very, very profitable trade if they worked on a percentage take profit. It then ends up in being a small take profit, because what happens is if there's an interruption, the broker and your laptop and your internet and all of it loses connection. Once it reconnects, it messes with the calculations of the bot, and then the bot just closes the trade because it picked it up as a, whatever's happening on the chart right now is conflicting with my indicators and with everything, so it closed the trade. So there's always a risk. So I always recommend trading with a Forex VPS service. If you don't want to, you don't need to. It's entirely up to you. And just a few good ones: Scala Hosting, VPS, FX Open, and then AccuWeb, should you want to trade with a VPS service. Benefits to it is they run 99.99% of the time, 24 hours, 7 days a week. If they do schedule maintenance, they will usually let you know way in advance, and they try and schedule maintenance over weekends when the markets are not trading. Okay, so that is also very important. It is good to know. Okay, so back to the review, and like I said, I want to cover the monthly analytics. Now, by now, if you found some value out of this video, please give this video a like. Leave me a comment. I'd really like to know your thoughts, you watching this video right now. So analytics, you can see that they've been trading for nearly 8 months now, or call it about 7 months from 19th of Jan, and then I'm not sure, like we are in kind of middle of August, so roughly, yeah, let's call it 8 months, 7 months worth of trading, 8 months. Now, my recommendation, and I always say that, is I want to see trading history of at least 3 years, 5 years upwards. Reason being, that means that this specific robot, or the robot I'm looking at, went through very volatile situations in the market. And that tells me that the robot stood the test of time. So it's testable, verifiable, and repeatable. So at this point in time, it's fairly new. I cannot say how it's really been performing, or I can say it's been performing very well over these past few months. We had a bit of a low month here, 3%, but once again, it's 3% upside. It's a plus. But once again, yeah, that's just my recommendation, 3 years, 5 years, and upwards. Then I've got enough information to work from in order to make a very informed decision. So once again, my feedback to you is this robot is phenomenal. It ticks 99% of my boxes to say everything is good besides this one thing, which is the monthly analytics. I just do not have enough trading history analytics to make an informed decision. Whether me personally, I would have purchased it or not. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful to you. You could make an informed decision looking at everything that I just shared with you. And if you found this video valuable, once again, give it a like, leave me a comment, share it with a friend or family. And may you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, financially successful forex trading journey in general, and may be blessed with everything that is good and wonderful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.